You guys see this? Hello? Are you with me? Hello? Is somebody here with me as I am slipping this unit on? Wait. Are we seeing this? Girls, are we seeing this? This is what I call a unit that you install, my friends. Oh my God. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so it's me, Kiana. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, but this is going to be a wig review in collaboration with Egyptian Beauty. You guys, I am actually wearing a natural hair wig. Like, as you can tell by the makeup look, this was going to be an entirely different type video, but in all honesty, I have been dying to put this unit on my head. And you know how you have that feeling that something is going to be spectacular, so you want to wait for the moment to arrive? Well, the moment has come. I couldn't hold it up any longer, so I'm just going to keep the camera going so I can prayerfully not mess this unit up. You can see this beautiful lace right here, honey. Wait, look. This is what's going on. Wait, let's get into it. This, girls, this is what's going on. So I can part her wherever I want, it seems like. I'm thinking I can just part her anywhere I want. Like, I haven't really paid the back much attention, but from what I'm seeing right here on the side, you know, I just went outside and saw my mom and the wind was blowing, and I was like, Mom, what do you think? She's like, girl, I know. So, look, just... Am I hallucinating? Sometimes I feel like when I get on camera, then I really know what the tea is on an item. So if there's any problems with her, I'm sure you guys are going to comment. I'm going to go ahead and cut the tag on camera so you guys can see. I know oftentimes when you spend your good coin, you want to know what you're going to be expecting. So this unit, again, is from Egyptian Queen, not Egyptian Beauty. Egyptian Queen. Come on, like, can you guys see that tag? And she is a CBSWN 31 straight, lace front wig, 14 inches long bob, 150% density, medium cap, color 4 root / 613. The price $350. You guys, if you have been with me for a while, you know all the units that I purchased myself or that I've had, we always ask the question, is she going to shed? Does she tangle? Girl, she's not shedding, she's not tangling. I have only literally taken my standard Conair flat iron, put her on 365 degrees, and I did a light bump, okay? Light bump. And really, she really didn't even need it. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna fix the unit so I can do this video. And I literally just kind of slipped through her a couple times just so I could come on camera. And I just got too excited. So like I said, this wasn't the video I was going to record, but this is the video we're going to get into today. So I want you to see this parting. And I'm hoping my camera is doing her justice. Hello. I do not even have a wig cap on. Okay? Remember I said this would be one of those units that you would want to install? I would be okay with saying install her. So I'm going to slip her off so I can show you that I don't have anything on. So the only thing I did yesterday, I shampooed my hair. And look at how full my hair is. Okay? So I didn't do anything spectacular. But now that I see something awesome is going to happen, I want to give her just due. So I'm just going to get me a little bit of my Cantu, put it along my hairline. I'm not going to over manipulate this hair. I'm literally just going to twist her down. I'm not going to even comb it out because I'm going to want to do a top knot tonight. So I need that texture to stay in. And just for the video, I'm not going to install her. But of course, I'm telling you guys that you could install her, okay? So I'm just going to lightly twist this hair down. Tuck her in like so. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright, so I have that hair twisted down. Don't judge me on my part because this is not a natural hair video. This is kind of a protective style video. So, I know you guys are wanting to know about this lace, honey. This lace is what I would call the perfect blend between a synthetic lace and a silk lace. Silk lace because you can see through her. Literally because originally I was going to record the video using one of these dome caps, a new dome cap, but the lace is so see-through that you could see through to it. So I don't even want to put any concealer here. There's no need. She comes with, amazingly, 4 combs. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, and of course 1 in the back. She does come with that adjustable strap, but this unit is saying that she is medium head friendly, so it does come with the adjustable strap. This unit is detailed so freaking good, you guys. Like the adjustable strap is covered by the netting, and I can just really tell this is a good quality unit. So what I'm going to do, just because I've already tried the unit on, I am just going to move this side in just a hair. I have my Mixed Chicks brush. I have you guys with me. I'm just going to brush through her. She does have a little bit of static, but she smells so fresh. I am going to pay close attention to cutting this lace, okay? So what I want to do is make sure that I don't overcut the lace. I'm going to put my finger here, just kind of measure her just so, and hopefully my camera is picking it up. The lace is spectacular, and the way that these little hairs are knotted in this unit, they're not so tight that you can't just go in and pull some of these little sparse hairs out, because I think she has baby hairs. But I have my own baby hairs. I'm good. I don't need the baby hairs of the unit. And I just want to make sure before I start that my baby hairs are flowing the same direction. So neaten those up, girls. If you're in a hurry like me, neaten them up. I am going to use my finger method, and I am going to leave about to the top line of my finger. I'm going to leave that much lace out, because it will give me room if I need to go back and readjust her. I will have room to do so, okay? So the worst thing you want to do is overcut. So, shh, quiet on the set. What you're seeing is all of this hair right along this hairline here. You want to leave this out just a little bit, because that's typically where I grab my units to secure them along the hairline. And then as I move around the side, I'm going to get a little bit tighter there. So of course, as the wind blows, it's not visually that you have a wig on. And of course, they have detailed this out. Like there's baby hairs all along the side. So I don't want to cut too sharply there, because that's going to initiate the shedding. And honey, for $350, we want every hair to stay in its spot, not the trash, okay? But are y'all seeing what I am seeing? So of course I can go and tighten this up a little bit more, but if I were to glue her down, are y'all seeing what is going on right now? Okay, so I completely decided against gluing her down, because I want to make sure that I don't leave her on my head for the rest of the night. But you guys get the general idea. Make sure that you're following me on my social media so you can see the event that I am going to have her adjusted down to my head. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see what we're working with here. What does she look like, guys? Like, are we seeing scalp? Like, what is she looking like? What is she looking like? Feels absolutely amazing. I am even getting the typical normal static that I get. And I'm going to get my flat iron so you can see me just run it through her. But look at this, like I just tempered it down with the comb, okay? So I'm getting that good hold. I do have a tiny bit of hair that I'm going to trim. Just an easy pass. Like she doesn't even need, like I said, I passed through it very, very lightly when I first pulled it out of the bag. Literally, there's nothing major that I need to cut. I'm just clipping these little ends here. And I know y'all get on me about not having my camera adjusted down so you can see everything, but there is nothing to see here. Like, she is beautiful. Y'all that want to know, this is where she hits. She's hitting right above boobs, so 14 inches. And like, what do we think? That's natural, right? That's natural as heck. Wait. Right?